82 years have passed since Nepal suffered a major earthquake, but on the 25th of April 2015, the country experienced a 7.8 magnitude devastating earthquake. We are still getting aftershocks generated by the Barpak quake. The second, Dolakha earthquake of 12th May compounded issues generated in the earlier earthquake. Over 8,600 Nepalese were killed, more than 22,000 people injured, hundreds of people are still undercount, 500,000 homes are completely destroyed, additional 300,000 are in need of repair. Within seconds, the major cultural heritages were totally destroyed. The casualty and physical damages were felt in 14 districts of central Nepal. Many homes have collapsed due to the earthquake, villages are buried, victims do not have shelter to stay, and they cannot figure out what to eat, where to stay, and how to plan for the future. Most of the school buildings are also collapsed, and there is no place to teach for the students. Many lost their loved ones, many children were orphaned, people disabled, and their life now depends on the generosity of others. Physical and mental disabilities have also increased in numbers. Health centres and hospitals have also broken down, and people do not have access to healthcare and medicine. Different governmental and non-governmental organisations have been active in relief operations, but it won't be sufficient at this stage. We therefore appeal to Rotarians helping hands.
Rotary Club उता सिंगापुर अनि त्यहाँबाट विभिन्न किसिम किबा क्लब कहाँबाट हात थापेर ल्याएर हामीलाई दिनुभयो धेरै खुसी छु उहाँहरू भगवान आको जस्तो लाग्यो मलाई.
To help, we Rotarians organised a campaign and reached out to the victims' households and distributed materials like food, tents, blankets and iron sheets for temporary shelter. We organised health camps in different places and treated the injured. We also helped people by building temporary shelters for those who have lost their homes in the earthquake. We are humbled that by our small help we have brought a smile to the faces of many earthquake victims.
हामीलाई खुसी लागेको छ हेर्नुस् हामी खाना नपाउनलाई खाना दिँदा खुसी भइहाल्यो.
Various organisations have also supported us during this relief campaign.
We have been receiving support in cash and kinds from Rotary fraternity from all over the world. We express our sincere gratitude for their kind concern and gesture. On behalf of Rotary International District 3292 and as a district governor for the Rotary year 2015-16 and as a citizen of Nepal, I appeal to all Rotary fraternity and to everyone to come together in this dire situation to rebuild Nepal.
It is now time to come together and help end the suffering of earthquake victims. At this difficult time for Nepal, it is important to open our hearts and minds and to extend our support to the victims. It is time to think how to make our towns and villages battered by the earthquake, reconstruct their communities and enjoy normality and independence. This campaign can only succeed if we all work together to recover and rebuild.